Hi, I'm Mike, and today I need to remove a couple of screws that are stripped out. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So this is a barbecue I'm troubleshooting here, and I need to get this panel off. And you can see that that screw there is somewhat stripped out, as is that one over there. This one over on the other side came out really easily, but these two I'm having a problem with, so I'm going to show you a couple of ways to get them out. So I know this barbecue is totally gross, but I'm going to clean it up before I ever use it. But I want to give you an idea where I am with this thing. This screw head here is just kind of reamed out, and I'm pushing down as hard as I can, and it just keeps spinning. You can see the metal shavings on the end of this thing. So the very first thing I would do, and this is stupid, and you're gonna say this never can work, but it does work in some cases, not in all cases. You take a rubber band and you use it to increase the friction on that, and sometimes it will work, not all times, but it's certainly worth attempting. Now I'm going to put a whole bunch of pressure on here to the best I can and try to move it out, and it's not working. One last choice is to try my drill driver here and do the same thing, just slowly. No. Yeah, so I got it reamed out really nice. The next thing I would go to is a screw extractor, and one side is a drill bit and the other side is a thread, and you're going to drill the hole with this bit, flip it over, and retrieve it with this one. You're going to run the drill in reverse mode, like you're unscrewing the screw. All right, I've got it in my drill. I've got it on reverse. I'm going to just do it again slowly in reverse. So that easy out was not working very well, so I've got a regular drill bit to try to put a hole in this and hopefully then try to back something out. So this one is actually drilling a hole. Okay, so there's that. I got that one out. I got one left. That's what that looks like after I drilled it out. Drill bit went right through and severed the head. Okay, here's the second screw. We're going to go back to the easy out screw extractor and try to do this one. Same deal, just not doing much with it. It is a stainless screw. All right, we're going to flip it to regular righty-tighty and drill a hole in it. I'm going to see if I can get it out with this threaded end of this screw extractor. I put it in reverse. Yeah, the whole thing's moving now. Okay, so there it is. Now I should be able to get the panel off and do my thing. Well, as you can see, sometimes this type of work requires a little thinking out of the box. I think the problem with my screw extractor was that the cutting side of this was not very sharp. So when I was able to drill a hole with a drill bit, the first one came clean off, broke the head off of it. And the second one, I was able to use the threaded bit to back it out, and that was no problem. Other things that will work is you can get a a Dremel tool with a cutting bit on it, and you can actually cut a slot on the head of the screw and get a large standard screwdriver in there to back it out. That's one way. You can also use a cutting tool and cut two parallel sides off of the round head, which leaves two flat ends, and you can get a wrench on it and then unscrew it that way. There's a lot of ways to do this type of stuff. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.